Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk again about empty bottles, about products that I finished during last several months. So let's start. Let's start with some utilities. I discovered for myself the mouthwash, and I started doing it from this one, Dentalux. I purchased it from Lidl, and during last period of time I used 1, 2, 3 bottles of this. But then I discovered this one, Colgate Triple Action. I like it better than previous one. So during last period of time I also finished 3 bottles of this mouthwash. Both of them contains no alcohol whatsoever. Okay, so also I finished up cotton rounds for also CN, the brand of Lidl. I finished up the dry shampoo, again CN from Lidl. I finished, I think, at least 1 bottle of micellar water. It's my main method of removing my makeup lately. Garnier all-in-one micellar water. I tried different types of micellar water, but honestly, I do not see any difference between them. I finished Lush henna. I use it to improve health of my scalp and also to add shine to my hair, which is great. I use it in a color brune. I finished SPF from SVR, SPF 50, Blur Sun Secure, UVB plus UVA plus visible plus infrared. Very nice. I like it, but pretty soon I finished another type of SPF from the same brand, SVR, and the new one I like much better, but this one also nice. It also like double like a makeup base, you know, those silicone pore blurring makeup base. It's very nice. They have it in a version with no color and in version with a little bit of color. I finished hairspray from my label. It's Continente brand, another supermarket chain brand. I didn't like it. Do not recommend. I didn't like smell. I didn't like hold. It was just nothing. It was doing nothing to my hair. I finished up a spray like mist, moisturizing mist for the face from Cafe Mimi, Russian brand. It contained collagen and vitamin E. Nice one. Finished up Natura Siberica Lab cream, night cream, Biome amino acid night cream mask. Liked it, but not so much. So to repurchase it again. Like generic night cream. It was nice, but nothing special. Finished up Lush Sympathy for the Skin body cream, small version. Like the smell, everything, but I found out that much cheaper cream again from Lidl works the same. Finish up a Dove deodorant original. I like this one with dark blue cup because it's a little bit stronger than the same, but just with white blue, well, just white cup. Sorry. Finished up face wash from Nivea Derma Skin Clear with salicylic acid, niacinamide, and sea salt. I found it a little bit too drying. I have combination oily skin. It was fine, but now I'm using other brand and I like it better. Finished up Biovan Matrix Seal number 3 age reversal lifting serum, wrinkle filler with organic green tea, 10% Matrix Seal 3000. I like it. I like it. I maybe I will repurchase it. Maybe I purchase something else. I like in general products serums to use serums with matrix. Finish up the sample of Lush Good Karma shower gel. Like the scent of this. My shower. Another bottle of hairspray, this time from Lidl brand. I liked it much better than from Continental brand. It's for volume and shine. Like it. Still, I prefer one Italian brand that I can order only online. But this one, if I have to purchase it like immediately, it's fine. So basically, I would say cosmetics products from Lidl, they're quite okay. Finished up the serum Mario Badescu Skin Cap Super Peptide Serum. It was okay. If I have to compare this one or other peptide serum, I wouldn't say any difference. So, and it's quite expensive. I'm not going to repurchase it. Finish up lip gloss from Fenty Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. It was a limited edition. I like the glosses itself. I like that they shine pretty. They have pretty good moisturizing qualities, but the packaging is just terrible. It just got teared to the point it's just ugly. Finish up the package of oil blotting films. The brand is the Face Shop from China. I'm not sure if it's possible to purchase it somewhere here, but maybe in shops that sell Chinese cosmetics from China. So this one, I like it. Finish up the sample size of Lancome Renergy Multi Lift Cream with SPF 15. Nice cream. I had a sample version of this, so I finished it up. I'm not going to repurchase it. Oh, another cotton pads. I'm going to repurchase them. It's my label. It's Continental brand, so I like them better than Lidl brand. And finish up sunscreen for the body from Garnier Ambre Solaire 50 plus ceramide protect UVB UVA UVA like long UVA. Very good one, not greasy, not visible. Like that a lot. So that's all I finished lately. I hope it was interesting and hope to see you on my channel again.